Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Reda, and with me here I have some brush cutter, wheeled brush cutter, as well as tiller implements, and this will be our unboxing of the equipment. We actually bought this equipment in order for us to be able to cut grasses in our new poultry farm, as some of you may know, and we need some mowers to do that. So we consider this brush cutter as against the normal handheld brush cutters that is very common in the market. And we will show you how we unbox this, and later on we'll go to the farm and show you how to use it. So here is the actual mower or wheeled brush cutter. You can maybe Google or search YouTube to see some of the models, but in the meantime we'll be unboxing this. And here is our blade. In order to save time, we already cut the tip, and this box is 14 kg, including the wheeled brush cutter, and 12 kg outside the box. So right now we'll be showing you what it entails. So in the box here, I will show you, you can see the picture, how it looks when you first open it. And then we remove the nylon bag here. And the first thing on the top we have is our brush cutter blade. I think you can see this. This is how it is in the back. It looks very similar to circular saw blade, but this is what we got inside the box. Then the second thing we have in here, we have a handle, which looks very like a motorcycle or kind of a bicycle handle. So here, let me come closer to show you. You can see this hook. I guess this will be the accelerator that will be accelerating the machine when it's running, and two handles. And I believe here you can see this could be the emergency stop switch. So this is one item out here. Here we have a funnel for the fuel. We have safety cover. As you can see, this safety cover, I guess, is for the blade, to be protecting the blade from spilling off all the grasses onto you that you're working on it. And here we have a tool kit. No idea what is inside this, but we'll come to it later on. Wow, this is heavy where the machine is. Here we have the machine. How is it? Oh, this way. You can see this side as well as this side, and you can see here the tires are not air tires, so no need to inflate at all. What is here? This seems to be the brush cutter handle that I guess will be connected to the, you can see this is the side for the blade, as well as this will be in the engine to be rotated by the engine. What is this? Okay, this seems to be the support that will support this. What else? We also have a manual, which you can see. Yes, we'll look at that later on. And this is our, I think, 1 liter kind of gallon, like a 1 liter container. I have no idea what it means for, and for by the side, I think it could be for the fuel, maximum fuel you can buy and fuel this machine. As well as here, there is a small tube. Internally, they are not connected. So I guess this will be for the measurement of the oil that you will add to the gasoline or petrol. So we'll look into that later. And here is one cover that is petrol. Okay, what we got here? I think, oh, this is a rear wheel that will be supporting the 2 front wheels, and this seems very solid. I think you can see, have a look. So I think when you don't need it, you need to fold it, or when you need it to be touching the ground, and this will be following the cutter. Okay, here what we have here, we have 4 items, including washers, bolt for the blade. So we'll see later on how to couple these things together. But this is it. So now, as I promised earlier, you see nothing else in the box. And here we'll see what is in the toolkit. I guess this I will just show you the picture of this, because there are so many small kind of airline keys, bolt and nuts, flux spanner, and some tying rod. So here are they, some bolts. So we will take a picture of this and show you. But in the meantime, this is it. So we will be coupling this in a separate video, but in the meantime I will show you what is in the other box. And you can see the picture, from the picture, how it is in the box. Nothing else, there is no bag, only the tiller height. This will be what we will be trying to use to cultivate or till small component of the poultry farm that we'll be planting some maybe vegetables in the space we are not using. So this may help, but we are just trying. So let's see what's in there. Ta-da! So this is it. So this, we are hoping this will be a good tool to till our soil for a small vegetable component of our poultry farm, and we are just trying it. We just want to learn from this. Oh, so this is it, and in terms of the costs, this costs us 75. This component costs the brush cutter, wheel brush cutter costs 75,000 naira, and this will be like around $200, and this cost us around 21,000 naira, which could be somewhere around 50 something dollars. So altogether around less than $260. So we'll have a different video. Thank you for watching this. We'll have a different video of clipping this together and showing you how it works later on in another video when we take it to our farm. Thank you for watching. See you next time.